name's Kevin McAuliffe. I'm the owner of Gardner Homes Hume franchise. I've owned the business for 6 years now, supporting our team in every aspect. I get up every morning and absolutely love my job. We communicate and integrate more than normal. At any point in time, they're able to call us and request a walkthrough. Not only you meet the supervisor, you'll meet our cabinet makers, our tilers on site, just to make sure what we're putting in place for your home, we're perfectly aligned and is meeting all your expectations.
I really enjoyed having the same site supervisor from start to finish. That was really important. He understood the things that I was stressing about. He was all over it.
Our team's been with us for a couple of years, and the relationships they hold with the clients are really, really good.
I really enjoyed working with Roberta. She understood what it is that I was trying to achieve. She's very helpful.
Colour and product and design is something that is a passion for me. It allows you to source and come up with ways to do it that works for us and works for the client.
Our strength in our business is our service, the quality of our homes and our ability to make it unique and customised.
It's a premium brand with what you really see, that's what you really get. Or what you dream for, that's what you really get.
And everywhere you looked was a top quality finish, and things that needed a little bit of touch up, they got right onto it. They really do stand aside from some of the other builders as far as their care and their attention to detail and the quality tradesmen that they get in to do their jobs.
Seeing their enjoyment and some of the results we've had bringing together some really intricate, unique, custom houses really brings a joy to the entire process.
When you see it all come together and you see the smile on their face at the end of the day, that's what makes me happy.